Welcome to this exceptional property, combining the best of all worlds. An updated home with gorgeous landscaping in a high-visibility location, perfect for a family business. You'll find a huge, newer construction shop, entertaining spaces, and a one-of-a-kind water feature. This recently updated home of nearly 3,900 square feet has an inviting interior with high ceilings, fine finishes, and original hardwood floors. Two updated kitchens, one on the main floor and one on the lower level, provide everything you need to create your favorite cuisine. Just down the hall, the spacious primary suite is its own private retreat with vaulted beam ceilings, a fireplace, and access to 2 decks. Unwind in the updated bath with a tiled shower complete with Bluetooth. You'll find additional large bedrooms on this level and another guest bath. Downstairs, relax by the fireplace or enjoy the second kitchen. Ideal for a dual living space or multi-generational living with an office and more bedrooms. Plus, a game room with a high-end pool table is a flexible space for any number of uses. And you'll find a separate entry. The covered outdoor entertaining space is ready for gatherings all year long, with a 2,500 square foot paver patio, wet bar, and stereo. Plus a hot tub. The shop of nearly 2,700 square feet includes 2 offices, lobby area, conference room, a large work area with 2 grade-level roll-up doors, and an upstairs break room. The large graveled yard could be used for parking, storage, or product. Zoned light industrial on Highway 34 in the desirable Corvallis market, it has a 30,000+ trip count as well as convenient access to I-5 and Highway 99. An excellent live-work opportunity for a contractor or family business. Don't miss this rare opportunity and schedule your showing today. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact TJ Garber with Premier Property Group.